Hello everyone! We are BS Hospitality Management students.
And today, we will demonstrate how to properly clean and sanitize kitchen benches. Keeping kitchen surfaces clean is important to prevent bacteria and ensure food safety.
For our materials and ingredients, for cleaning, we need dish soap, warm water, a sponge or a cleaning cloth, and a vinegar-based solution made out of 2 cups of water, 1 teaspoon of dish soap, and a half cup of vinegar.
For sanitizing, we need a bleach solution made of cups of water and 1/4 teaspoon of unscented bleach, a spray bottle, and a clean microfiber cloth.
First, we prepare the vinegar-based cleaning solution by mixing 2 cups of warm water, 1 teaspoon of dish soap, and half a cup of white vinegar. This solution helps remove grease and stains while being safe and natural. Next, we prepare the sanitizing solution by mixing 2 cups of water with 1/4 teaspoon of unscented bleach. This solution helps kill bacteria and viruses.
Step-by-step cleaning process. Step 1. Remove debris. First, remove crumbs and food particles using a dry cloth or paper towel. Step 2. Wash with soapy water. Spray the vinegar-based cleaning solution and scrub the surface using a sponge or cloth. This removes grease and stains effectively. Step 3. Rinse and dry. Rinse the surface with clean water and wipe it dry with a clean cloth. sanitizing process. After cleaning, spray the bleach sanitizing solution evenly on the surface. Let it sit for a few seconds to kill germs, then wipe it using a clean microfiber cloth.
First, we prepare
Gil, hindi Wait lang, anong clean water ngayon? And today, we will demonstrate how to properly clean and sanitize kitchen benches, keeping kitchen surfaces